My partner Scotty and I are heading to enemy territory so we can do challenges, earn coins, and fund our run to Ben and Adam's flag. Which means that, by coincidence, we're taking the same train as Ben, making him the first guest on our brand new, totally not derivative snack review show.
Adam, we have stolen your teammate, and now we're gonna indoctrinate him into our snack show.
Yeah, we happen to be on the same train, so.
Then I would like to welcome you to this special edition of Choo Choo Chew.
This feels very derivative.
It's a better name.
Today on Choo Choo Chew, we have, for your pleasure, a kiwi chia seed drink.
Ooh, it looks fun.
It's very pulpy. How many chews out of chew?
Choo choo.
Hey, buddy. I can't believe that we're here. In the snack zone.
This is bad.
All right, everybody. Welcome to the snack zone. It's a show within a show where we review Japan's best and worst foods. Today we'll be trying torn egg. Oh, it's bizarrely sweet.
Is this a snack zone?
It actually tastes really bad. I don't know why I keep getting this. I don't know. I don't like Starbucks.
I have one mini show idea.
Today on Choo Choo Chew, we have Pocari Sweat. Terrible name, amazing drink.
It's really good.
That's a spoiler. How would you describe it to someone who's never had Pocari Sweat?
It's like they put more water in water.